This is the demo video for showing Modbus protocol functionality on the ECM device. So we have implemented the read input register Modbus functionality, and it also supports the multiple read protocol, and these are the settings supposed to be kept in the master Modbus master, and we are using the base 0 addressing of Modbus protocol. So currently the IP address of device is 2.10, and we can see the live readings here, the temperature, pressure, humidity, and the CC and IC of both the sensors. Now we will connect to our device. So this is the Modbus Pol software. So in this our PC will act as a Modbus master, and we can check the functionality of our Modbus slave, that is our ECM device. So we have to keep the IP address same, and the 502 port is standard for Modbus, so this should not be changed. Connect timeout will keep as 1000 milliseconds. Response timeout also will keep as 1000 milliseconds. We'll click OK. So now it is showing illegal function because by default it is polling for read holding register, but we have only implemented read input registers, that is function code 4, and our addressing starts from 100. So first we'll read only one register. So as you can see, at address 100 we are getting a reading of 36, that is nothing but the copper CC value. So this address mapping is indicated to user through this table. So this table will be included in the user manual. So at address 100 we have copper CC, at 101 we have silver CC, then IC, then temperature, humidity, pressure, all those things. Also there is a scaling value that should be applied in the Modbus master, because we are not sending the float values, we are only sending integer values. Now let's check address 101, and we read 296, that is nothing but the silver cumulative value. We can also do multiple read. If I write quantity here, let's say how many registers we have, 100 to 108, so we have total 9 registers. So we'll apply, and our addressing should start from 100, otherwise it will show illegal data address because we are going beyond our address table. We can also write alias here for our understanding. So now we can see the temperature it is showing is 283, and the reading here is 28.3. that is because the scaling applied to the temperature should be 10. So whenever Modbus master receives the temperature reading, it should divide it by 10, because internally we are applying a scaling of 10. Similarly in pressure we have 0.0156 inch of water column, and here we are getting 180 integer number, so master should apply this scaling factor, so it should divide whatever reading for pressure it is getting by this scaling factor. Humidity there is no scaling, so whatever percentage you are getting, 55%, we see exactly that same here. So with multiple read, Modbus master need not do polling for each and every address. It can just say starting address and read 9 registers, and it will get all the live data reading, copper CC, silver CC, and then we have incremental corrosion of copper 1 ampere, 1 angstrom. For silver there is no incremental corrosion yet. And the ISA class 4949 is nothing but the ASCII value of this. So 49 is the ASCII value of 1. If this is G2, then this 49 would become 50.